Before talking about specific Agile team characteristics, let's first talk about a known practice in one of the famous Agile methodologies, XP, called the whole team. This approach can be applied to any Agile project. One of the most common definitions of the term team was in the book The Wisdom of Teams by John Katzenbach. I'm not sure of the pronunciation of the word. And Douglas Smith. They defined the team as a small number of people with complementary skills who are committed to a common purpose, perform goals, and approach for which they hold themselves mutually accountable. The quote is very interesting and talks about a few elements: number, skills, purpose, accountability. So let's talk about each of them in more details from the Agile perspective. Number. Agile teams are usually small in number, not exceeding 7 team members plus or minus 2. They are stable, working full-time in this project, and cross-functional, that means from different departments. As team sizes grow, communication will be much harder, and information between members will be lost easily. So, larger groups should be broken into multiple sub-teams, including people from several different departments or divisions. Keeping a team small allows team members to develop better relationships and communicate more directly. In this way, the whole team approach helps in building healthier and stronger teams for improving team bonding and synergy. Ideally, everyone in the team is seated at the same physical location with no barriers between the team, this to enable smooth communication. So, co-location or moving the team members to share the same place is highly recommended. All meetings are attended by everyone where work progress is communicated and any potential roadblocks are raised. Let's talk about skills. An Agile team must possess all the skills needed to produce a quality product that delivers the features required. The approach emphasizes the notion of generalizing specialists, as opposed to role specialists. People who can act more than one role are highly preferred. Generalizing specialists with cross-functional skills can perform many different tasks on projects. Any task might be completed by any team member. As almost everyone can do everything, then the whole team approach should involve constant collaboration. There is no, "this is not my job," nor "this is your sole responsibility." Oh, we hate those words. The whole team does not mean that the entire team works on everything at once. This is a big misconception. The real goal with the whole team approach is to ensure that the team works collectively to assign, deliver, test, and review the work products and to identify risks. The team commits to providing the highest possible business value as a team, and the team does whatever is needed to deliver it. Some folks who are new to Agile perceive it as all about speed. The fact is, it's all about quality. Let's talk about purpose. The focus of Agile development is producing a high-quality product in a time frame that maximizes its value to the business. Team members are in alignment and agreement as to how the goals will be achieved and measured. That also means that the team will work closely with business representatives to help them create the user stories, create suitable acceptance tests, and decide on various development and testing approaches. I remember when I asked a tester once to help a developer create unit tests, the tester said, "Why should I do that? If I do that, then there'll be no bugs for me to discover." The same thing when a tester asked the developer to guide him to areas of risk in his component. The developer refused, wondering why would he give the key to the tester to open a can of bugs in his code. Such mentality is a pure stupidity and will never mangle in an Agile project. The whole team is involved in any consultations or meetings in which product features are presented or analyzed or estimated. The concept of involving testers, developers, and business representatives in all feature discussions is known as the power of the three. Like the three musketeers, all for one and one for all. This approach creates an environment that ensures transparency. Everything is known to everyone. And this promotes collaboration on related work items. Of course, the active involvement of end users or customers or sponsors in the development process enhances the quality of the delivered product. Accountability. Finally, there is the idea that team members hold themselves mutually accountable. In other words, the team has a shared ownership for the outcome of the project. For example, it's not only the testers or a quality assurance team who are held responsible for quality, but it's the whole team. We don't think of departments, we just think of the skills and resources we need to deliver the best possible product. For example, testers can log defects in a tracking tool and collaborate with the developers to replicate it and get it fixed at the same iteration. Such collaboration will always add more value to the product quality rather than testers just think that their only job is just to raise defects. So to sum up, the use of a whole team approach to product development is one of the main benefits of agile development. Its benefits include enhancing communication and collaboration within the team. It helps team in building strong working relationships through practical cooperation, teamwork, and communication, enabling the various skill sets within the team to maximize the value of the project. Helps team members to learn and share knowledge from each other, making quality everyone's responsibility. Making everyone collectively responsible for the outcome. In the coming videos, let us look at some of the agile team characteristics in more details.